Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to follow people on the Sololearn application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Sololearn app on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed forward with your email address and your password. After logging in, you will be taken into the Learn page, from which you can directly start various different lessons. Now, if you wish to follow anyone within the application, simply tap on the profile button at the bottom right corner. From here, tap on the plus contact button at the top. And now you will see the Discover Peers menu, from which you can find your phone or your Facebook contacts, as well as the various suggestions that you are given, which you can follow directly by tapping on the follow button. So simply tap on the follow button for the player that you wish to follow, and now you will become their follower right away. You can do this with any profile that you want to follow within the application. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to follow other people on the Sololearn application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.